Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Park, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Once done, pry trim panels with a plastic tool. Clips release with controlled pressure so you don't break them. Next, use the correct screwdriver or radio keys to remove the 4 mounting screws and slide the head unit partway out. Make sure you note antenna and wiring positions as you pull the radio out, because that labeling saves time and prevents mistakes later. Now you focus on the complex middle steps. First, label each wire or photograph the connectors so you can match them precisely to the new harness adapter. Once labeled, disconnect the antenna and the factory harness. Attach the adapter harness, making sure the constant 12V, switched ignition, and ground are correctly paired. Then insert the mounting cage into the dash, crimp, or solder connections as needed for reliability, and test fit the new head unit before tightening any final screws. Finish by reconnecting the negative battery terminal and powering the new radio. Test power, speakers, Bluetooth pairing, and antenna reception while the unit is partially out so adjustments are easy. Once everything works, secure the head unit with the mounting screws, reattach trim panels, and set the clock and presets. Make sure steering wheel controls function. If not, confirm the adapter wiring. If you encounter a no-power condition, check the inline fuse and the ground connection first. Those are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.